A for apple, A for ant, B for ball, B for bat, b. C for cat, C for calf, k. D for dog, D for doll, d. E for elephant, E for egg, F for fist, F for frog, f. G for goat, G for grass, g. H for hen, H for horse, h. I for ice cream, I for igloo, e. J for jog, J for jump, j. K for kite, K for king, k. L for lion, L for lamb, l. M for mango, M for moon, m. N for nest, N for nail, n. O for orange, O for owl, o. P for parrot, P for pig, p. Q for coin, Q for quilt, q. R for rabbit, R for ru. S for sun, S for socks, s. T for tiger, T for tree, t. U for umbrella, U for unicorn, V for van, V for vest, b. W for watch, W for wall, v. X for Xmas tree, X for X. Y for yatch, Y for yolk, y. Z for zebra, Z for Jew, j.
Thanks for watching Kids Ki Saathi. Please like and subscribe.